Hi everyone, welcome to a little studio vlog. I thought I'd show some of the things I do when I'm working on my small business in a day. So as you can see, I do have a few things to do today: film some videos, do some voiceovers, and to make some inventory. So I'll take you along with me. So I do this series on my TikTok videos where I just write out all the orders I get for the month, and it is March 18th and I haven't started March yet, so I'm gonna do that. And that starts with finding a calendar online. Okay, so now that I've found one, I'm just gonna play around with the colors a bit, try to customize it. So I'm currently working on my first YouTube video, which, yeah, it will already be out by the time you see this video, and it's going to be a tutorial for how I make my magnetic bookmarks. So I already finished, putting in all the clips and text. I just need to record the voiceover, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I'm finally done with recording the audio, and that took a lot longer than I expected it to. But anyway, yeah. And does anyone else hate the sound of their own voice on video? Because I do. So I just have to put this into the YouTube editor so I can get some music that won't be copyrighted, and then I can upload it. So while I was just sitting here, I got an order which is really exciting, and it is huge, so I'll have to get everything together for that. Here's a packing slip, and it is quite a lot of stuff. I think this might be like the most anyone has ever ordered from me, so that is exciting. I'm just gonna pack this up now. So one thing I did want to show that this person ordered, because I think it's a really good deal and maybe even a good idea if you have your own store, is a mystery B-grade stationery bundle. So it comes with a sticker sheet, a sticker, and either another sticker or a magnetic bookmark or a regular bookmark that are B grade. So, and I saw this for about $5, which usually one sticker sheet is $5, one bookmark is $4, so I think it's a pretty good deal, and they're just minor imperfections. So for example, this magnetic bookmark, I don't know if you can see, but there's a few pieces of dust trapped under the laminate, which you don't want, and I think the magnet's not as strong as I would like it to be. And this, I haven't even released these yet, but they're supposed to be card covers for transit passes, but the size is not exactly right, but it's still an okay fit. In the sticker sheet, there's just some cuts that are not perfectly aligned, so that's why it's B grade. Okay, so here's everything they got. So the B-grade stationery pack, a B-grade sticker pack, which includes 5 stickers, 2 bookmarks. These are from my new collection. And this one. And then these 5 stickers. That is everything. Okay, so it's a little bit later in the day, and just the last thing I'm going to do today is cut out this book review notepad. I print them at home, and each one has 30 sheets, so I just cut this out and then glue it, and it's done. And for what I'm watching, I'm currently watching Emily Cromwell's vlogs. I love her vlogs, because she also has a small business, and she just shows like all the processes of everything. I just love her videos.